How to mine Picoin very fast. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mine Picoin faster and maximize your earnings. If you want to get the most out of Pi Network, these tips will help you boost your mining rate. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. The simplest way to keep earning Pi faster is to tap the mining button every 24 hours without missing a day. Consistency is key. Invite friends and family to join Pi Network using your referral code. The more active users in your team, the higher your mining rate will be. Once KYC, know your customer verification is available for you, complete it as soon as possible. This ensures your mined Pi is secure and prepares you for the mainnet phase. Add trusted members to your security circle to enhance network security and slightly increase your mining efficiency. Engage with the Pi Network app, participate in discussions, and stay updated with announcements. Some features may offer additional ways to earn Pi in the future. Once Pi Network expands its ecosystem, utilizing Pi-based services and applications may offer more earning opportunities. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful Pi Network tips. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Like and subscribe at Softpro.